Hello guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and in this tutorial, I'll show you how to build a wiki in Notion on your PC. First, create a new page and give it a name like My Wiki. Next, start adding subpages for different topics or categories. For example, you could have pages like Project, Processes, or Resources. Use the Table of Content block on your main page to make navigation easier. You can link pages using page mentions by typing the followed by the page name. This creates a clickable link for quick access. To make your wiki visually organized, use headings, dividers, and icons for each section. You can also include images, videos, and embedded files. This setup makes your knowledge base easy to navigate and keep all your information in one centralized location. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.